become future stars. Chapter 9. Different Lands, Different Lives. Let's learn together. To learn how geography affects people's homes, food, clothes, and work. To understand the culture and lifestyle of people in different regions of India. Life in the plains. The northern plains of India are wide, flat lands formed by rivers like the Ganga, Yamuna, and Sutlej. These rivers bring rich, fertile soil which makes the land excellent for farming. Because of this, many people live here and the region is densely populated. The land supports the growth of various crops, and most people are engaged in farming and related activities. The plains provide a peaceful and settled life to the people who live here. Farming and occupation. The fertile soil and good water supply make the plains one of the most important farming regions in the country. Crops like wheat, rice, sugarcane, and different vegetables grow in abundance here. Since agriculture is the main occupation, many people work as farmers. Others are involved in jobs like selling crops, running shops, or working in nearby cities and factories. Houses and settlements. Houses in the plains are mostly made of bricks and cement. They are strong and long-lasting. Most of the houses have flat roofs because this region does not receive snowfall. In both villages and cities, people live in closely built houses due to high population. Big cities like Delhi, Lucknow, and Patna are located in the plains. Food and lifestyle. The food habits of people in the plains depend on the crops grown in the region. Wheat is commonly eaten in the form of chapati or makki di roti, especially in Punjab. Sarson da saag, a curry made from mustard leaves, is a popular dish. People also enjoy drinking lassi, a sweet or salty drink made from curd. Meals are simple, healthy, and often made from fresh farm produce. Culture and heritage. The culture of the plains is colorful and full of traditions. Festivals like Baisakhi, Holi, and Diwali are celebrated with great joy. People wear traditional clothes and enjoy folk songs and dances. One of the most important places in this region is the Golden Temple in Amritsar, Punjab. It is a famous Gurudwara where people of all religions are welcomed, and free meals called langar are served to everyone equally. Life in the desert. Deserts are regions that receive very little rainfall and are often hot and dry. The land is sandy and water is scarce. Despite the harsh climate, people, plants, and animals have learned to live and adapt in these areas. Life in the desert is different from other regions and teaches us how to survive with limited resources. The Thar Desert in Rajasthan is one of the most well-known deserts in India. Amazing facts. The Rann of Kutch in Gujarat turns into a white desert every winter when salt from the sea settles on its surface. During the monsoon, it gets flooded and becomes a seasonal wetland. This unique landform changes completely with the seasons. Plants and animals. The desert vegetation is sparse but well suited to the dry conditions. Plants like cactus, babool, and khejri trees grow here because they need very little water. These plants often have deep roots and thick stems to store water. The desert is also home to several animals such as camels, which are known as the ship of the desert. Camels can walk long distances and go without water for many days. Other desert animals include lizards, wild cats, and eagles, which are adapted to the heat and dryness of the region. Houses and water conservation. People in the desert build their houses using mud and thatch to keep them cool. These houses often have thick walls and small windows to protect from heat and sandstorms. In some areas, underground water storage tanks called tankas are built to store rainwater. These traditional methods help people manage water carefully in an area where it is very limited. Food and clothing. The food in the desert is simple yet rich in taste. Popular dishes include dal bati churma, a combination of lentils, baked wheat balls, and sweet crushed wheat, and karsangri, a spicy dish made from desert beans. Due to the strong sunlight, people wear light and colorful clothes. Women wear bright ghagras and dupattas, while men wear turbans to protect their heads from the sun. Culture and heritage. The culture of the desert regions is vibrant and full of life. People celebrate festivals with folk dances and music. Instruments like the sarangi and khartal are commonly used during performances. These art forms reflect the spirit and strength of the people living in difficult conditions. Jaisalmer Fort, made of golden sandstone, is a famous heritage site that stands tall in the heart of the desert and attracts visitors from all over the world. Life in the coastal areas. Coastal regions are areas located along the sea and are known for their pleasant but humid climate. The presence of the sea influences the lifestyle of the people living in these regions. The weather often remains warm and moist due to the sea breeze. These regions are rich in natural beauty and are home to a unique way of life that revolves around the sea. People and occupation. In coastal areas, many people depend on the sea for their livelihood. Fishing is one of the main occupations, as the sea provides an abundance of fish and seafood. People are also engaged in boating, fish trade, and tourism-related activities. Tourists visit coastal towns to enjoy the scenic beaches, local cuisine, and cultural festivals. The coastal lifestyle is closely connected to the rhythm of the sea. Nature and art. Coastal regions are known for their wide and sandy beaches. These beaches attract artists who create beautiful sand sculptures using just sand and water. Seashells, such as shanks, are commonly found along the shore. These are not only decorative but are also used during religious rituals and pujas, especially in coastal temples. Homes and lifestyle. Houses in coastal areas are built with strong materials to withstand storms, heavy rainfall, and strong sea winds. The designs often include sloped roofs and raised platforms to prevent waterlogging during heavy rains or cyclones. People living in these regions are always prepared for sudden changes in weather and have learned to live in harmony with nature. Food and clothing. The food of coastal regions is rich in flavor and often includes rice, lentils, and seafood. In Odisha, a famous coastal state, dishes like dalma, a mix of lentils and vegetables, pakla, fermented rice, china pod, a sweet dish, and rasgola are widely enjoyed. These foods are not only tasty but also suitable for the warm and humid climate. People wear light and airy clothes to stay comfortable in the heat. Culture and festivals. The coastal areas celebrate many colorful festivals with music, dance, and religious rituals. One of the most famous festivals is the Rath Yatra held at the Jagannath Temple in Puri, Odisha. This grand chariot festival attracts thousands of devotees from across the country. The culture of the coastal people reflects their deep respect for the sea and their rich traditions. Natural challenges. While coastal life has many charms, it also comes with challenges. These regions often face cyclones, floods, and strong winds that can damage homes and crops. People have developed ways to stay safe during such natural disasters, including building stronger houses and staying informed through weather warnings. Despite these difficulties, coastal communities remain strong, resilient, and full of life. Amazing facts. Coastal states often face cyclones. People study cyclones to find ways to protect lives and resources. In recent years, the government of Odisha has received national and international awards. These awards were given for saving people during cyclones through early warnings, good preparation, and proper management. Life in the mountains. Mountains are tall, steep, and rocky lands that are often cold, especially in high-altitude areas. The Himalayas, located in the northern part of India, are one of the highest mountain ranges in the world. Life in the mountains is peaceful but comes with its own set of challenges due to the rough terrain and cold weather. Climate and vegetation. The mountain climate is mostly cold, with snowfall in the upper regions during winter. Due to the altitude, only certain types of trees grow here, such as oak, pine, walnut, and chestnut. These trees provide timber and fuel for the local people. In lower slopes, fruit trees like apple, peach, and plum are found. The natural beauty of mountains attracts tourists and supports the livelihood of local communities. Houses and clothing. People in the mountains build their houses with stone and wood to keep them warm. The roofs are sloped so that snow and rain can slide off easily. Because of the cold climate, people wear thick woolen clothes, shawls, gloves, and caps made from wool. These help to protect them from the chilly winds. Culture and festivals. Mountain communities have rich cultural traditions. In Sikkim, festivals like Losung and Namsung are celebrated with great joy. Colorful clothes, dances, and rituals are part of these festivals. The lifestyle here is simple and closely connected to nature. Occupation and wildlife. Many people in the mountains are farmers or animal herders. They grow crops like maize, barley, and potatoes. Tourism is also an important source of income, as people from all over the world visit mountain areas for trekking and sightseeing. Animals like mountain goats, yaks, and red pandas are found in this region and are well adapted to the cold climate. Recap. Life in each region depends on the land, climate, and availability of water. In mountain areas, people wear woolen clothes and grow crops like apples and tea. In plains, farming is common because the land is flat and fertile. In deserts, people use camels for travel and build cool houses using mud. In coastal areas, people do fishing and live near the sea. People have learned to adapt to their region and live comfortably. Word search. Geography, the shape and features of the land like rivers, hills, and deserts. Fertile, soil that is rich and good for growing crops. Occupation, the type of work people do in a region. Adapt, to adjust or change according to the place or situation. Resilient, being strong and able to recover from tough conditions like storms or floods. Like, share, and subscribe.